Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to generate pictures with Google Gemini with only using your phone or iPhone. So to do this, you just need to go to the Google app on your iPhone and choose Gemini in the top. Here you have two choices. You have Google or Gemini. You need to choose Gemini. And after that, you need to click the prompt. For example, I will tell the Google Gemini to generate a picture of blue flower. And now Google Gemini will generate this picture, not looking on Google, not getting pictures from Google. It will generate this picture. So I click on the OK button and we will wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, Google Gemini generated pictures of blue flowers, and I can generate more. I just need to tell it to generate more and it will generate more pictures for me. Just a small reminder that Google Gemini still don't generate pictures of people. So just for now, animals, objects, and things like that. But I think in the near future, it will start generating pictures of people. This was our video for today. I hope that you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.